Hello and welcome to Math 141. Happy New Year, everyone. In this video, I just want to take a few minutes to help you get familiar with how to navigate my class in WALMAP. So this is what your homepage should look like. You'll have the calendar here, and you can see I try to put information about my office hours on the calendar, as well as what we might be doing in class that day. So you can see on Tuesday we have the video assignment 1.1 due at 10 a.m. One way to interact with the calendar is you can click on the day and you can see links below the calendar, and that will have a link where you can open the assignment. Sometimes I find that students like to interact with the class only through the calendar or maybe only through the gradebook. But I highly recommend that you use the folder system that I have below. So we'll scroll down and see that. Before we do that, I just want to point out, here is where you'll find my office hour links. So if you want to sign up for an office hour, you'll click on this link here, and it will open up a calendar where you can pick a time slot and sign up. Those office hours use Google Meet, and you'll be able to find the link when you sign up. On Thursdays from 11:15 to 11:45, I have a 30-minute open Q&A, and you don't have to sign up for that. Anyone can pop in at any time. And as soon as the STEM study room hours are announced, I'll have those posted here. So many of you have probably worked through the Start Here folder already. If you haven't, please make sure you do that. But I'm going to take a look at the week 1 folder. So each week a new folder will appear. So week 2 should be up by Friday. So if you need to work ahead because of your schedule, that will be up on Friday so you can work over the weekend. So I'm going to click on it to open this up. And you'll see we have a week 1 forum. And then here I have the video assignment. And this is the one that's due Tuesday at 10 a.m. One thing to note, if you're in a different time zone, these times might be different. So you might want to set your time in WALMAP to specific time so that you are on the same time zone I am. Here's a link to the textbook and solutions for that section of the textbook. And then you'll see here's a link to the homework for 1.1. And this is how I will set up every week of the course. And then you can see we have 2 video assignments for 1.2. It's a really big section, so I broke it into 2 assignments. And then below that, the textbook and solutions for 1.2. And below that, the online homework. So that's how I recommend interacting with the course. Definitely use the folder. By tomorrow, you'll see the week 1 activity. And I usually post those right below the forum, so kind of at the top of that week's folder. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions about how to interact with our class or navigate WALMAP, please message me or sign up for an office hour this week. I look forward to working with you and meeting you all in office hours or activities time sometime. Have a great week.